start like and unlike fractions. I told you about like and unlike fractions, है ना? Like fractions or unlike fractions के बारे में I told you last time. So we are going to start that. So again I'm repeating, by the time other students are entering, I'm going to tell you what is, once again I'm going to tell you what are like and unlike fractions. Like means same, and unlike means different. Unlike means different. Like means same and unlike means different. Same what and different what? Same denominator and different denominators. We are talking about denominators, and D for down. D for down. Okay, suppose a number is 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. So they are like or unlike? They are like or unlike? Are you unable to mute? Unmute yourself. Oh, sorry. Now you are unable to mute yourself. Yes.
They are unlike.
They are unlike. Why they are unlike? Because why they are unlike? Because their denominators are different. Their denominators are different. Their denominators are different. That means they are unlike. Okay. Now take out your maths fair notebook. I hope you understood. Take out your maths fair notebook, everyone. Jaldi se, fast. You should be ready with it. Maths fair notebook. In your maths fair notebook, on a new page, from a new page. Okay, maths fair notebook, new page, right. Exercise number 7.4. On a new page, write exercise 7.4. Write this also. Jo likh rahi hu beta, exactly same you have to write. Like fractions. You have to write this, whatever I am writing. Like fractions, same denominator. Okay, next question is unlike fractions. Next, not question, this is not question, this is just information. Unlike fractions,
Remember the exercise 7.3 because in yesterday class we do exercise 10.2.
बेटा हमने पहले 7.3 करी है, फिर 7.2 करी है. Understood?
Okay.
Excuse me. Just give me a minute.
Ma'am, you are on mute. Babu. Ma'am, we have to leave the line.
Yes. Don't write ABC, write 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Excuse me.
What will be the third one?
3/6 or 13/6?
Ma'am, it will be like.
I will not tell you the answer, you do it yourself. Do it yourself.
Ma'am, after like and unlike, we have to write also fraction, like unlike fraction.
As you wish. It's all up to your wish. If you want to write, you can write. If you don't want to write, you can. I'm going to ask. Okay, Agrita, tell me what are these? अगर किसी ने बीच में बोला ना, see, I will remove you from the meeting. I'm telling you. Agrita, beta, tell me what is this? Second one, like or unlike? अग्रता बेटा सेकंड वाला क्या है, लाइक है या अनलाइक है? हाँ,
Ma'am, this is unlike.
this is unlike. Why is it unlike, Agrita?
Ma'am, because ma'am, the denominator is different.
Very good. Because the denominators are different. We don't see the numerator. Numerator same ho ya na ho, we don't see it. We always see only the denominator. Denominators of one is 4, another is 6. That's why they are unlike. This is 6, this is 6. If both the denominators are, yes, Samya.
Ma'am, in the sixth one, there was 100.
Yes. Okay, now Arkan, tell me what is the third one? There are few students who do not speak at all. हाँ, Arkan बताओ.
Ma'am, like.
Like, why they are like, Arkan? Why they are like, Arkan?
Ma'am, because first is 3, then it's 13.
No, this is not the reason for like. Devansh, you tell me the reason why they are unlike. Oh, sorry, why they are like. Third one. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I?
Please don't speak in between. There are few students who speak a lot and there are few students who do not speak at all. So I want some of the students, I'm taking names, those who don't speak at all. Devansh, tell me, why are they? Devansh, tell me, what are they?
Ma'am, we will do this unlike because this is different.
This is different, no? Third wala. Third wala, Devansh, beta. Yatharth, tell me why third one is different. Why third one is like?
Ma'am, because the denominator is same.
Because, yes, good. See, denominators are same. Is same nahi, are same. Denominator iska bhi 6 hai, denominator iska bhi 6 hai. That's why they are like fractions. Okay, now a third saying, tell me the answer of the fourth one.
Like. Mama, I have done.
Why they are like? A third saying. मैंने कहा ना बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा. Why they are like, a third saying?
Because they have same denominator.
What is that same denominator, beta? What is that same denominator?
9.
9.
Ma'am, please side.
Now Mokshit, tell me the
Please
fifth one.
side.
Mokshit, tell me the fifth one quickly. Yes, Mokshit.
It is unlike.
This is?
Because ma'am, this is unlike.
Why they are unlike, Mokshit? Why they are unlike, Mokshit?
Ma'am, this is unlike.
Because
Ma'am, because
yes,
first denominator is first denominator is 5
very
and
good,
second denominator is 8.
very good. Okay, first denominator
And
is 5 and another denominator is 8. That's why they are unlike.
because first denominator
Yes, okay,
is
Mokshit beta. Okay, Naisha.
5
Naisha, tell me the fourth one.
and second denominator is
Okay, beta. Naisha.
Yes,
Naisha.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Huh? What is the sixth one?
ma'am, the sixth one, right?
Hmm. What is the sixth one, Naisha?
Ma'am, it's
Huh? It's
like,
like. Why is it like, beta?
ma'am, because the denominators are same.
What is the denominator? What is that same denominator here?
Ma'am, the 4.
What?
Ma'am, the 4 below.
The 4 name 4. Okay. 4 is the
4.
denominator. Okay. Very good. Naisha, are you not using specs? I can't recognize your face. I don't know why. Yeah, sit a little bit back. Yeah. Are you not using specs today? Do you have specs?
Ma'am, I don't respect.
You don't wear specs. Either your hair
No,
grows
ma'am.
and you're not recognized by your hairs. Huh? It's because of that. I cannot recognize you. Or the Naisha changed earlier somewhere, some other Naisha was there, and now some other girl is sitting there. Is it so?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. I thought some different girl is there today when I saw your face. Okay. Either your hair grows and your face looks different.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So all of you have done this? Done all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I rub this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Take a
No,
screenshot.
ma'am.
Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot within 1 minute. Within 1 minute, take a screenshot. Those who have not done it. Those who are saying no, take a screenshot of it and do it afterwards. Okay, I'm going to stop, rub it now. Take a screenshot. Beta, equi se we understand it is talking about equal. Equal. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Equal fractions. Now, what are equal fractions? See, what are equal fractions? Equivalent means equal. Equal means क्या होता है हिंदी में बराबर. ठीक है. Now I am telling you. Suppose you are having one dairy milk chocolate and it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. This is one dairy milk chocolate you are having. Okay. Now another one is also having a dairy milk chocolate and it is also having I asked one of you to share half of the chocolate. I asked one of you to share half of the chocolate. Who's continuously talking? Ale, please switch off your mic. अब मैंने कहा है कि अपनी हाफ चॉकलेट शेयर करो. तो एक क्या करता है, द फर्स्ट बॉय, लेट द फर्स्ट बॉय बी अंश पटेल. तो ये अंश की चॉकलेट है. ओके. And this is of Shaurya's chocolate.
Ma'am, today in snack activity, ma'am, I also eat the chocolate.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. वाह. इस कौन सी एक्टिविटी में?
Ma'am, snack activity, second period of science, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, Ansh and Shaurya, both of you are doing, and this is of Ansh chocolate and this is Shaurya's chocolate. ठीक है, सेम चॉकलेट थी दोनों के पास. अंश से मैंने बोला, अंश आप हाफ चॉकलेट दे दो मुझको. अंश ने क्या किया, आपने इक्वल, मैंने कहा है इक्वल शेयरिंग करो, दोनों से बोला है इक्वल शेयरिंग करो. तो अंश ने क्या किया, उसने 6 पार्ट्स में से 3 पार्ट्स दे दिए। एंड व्हाट शौर्य डिड, उसने 2 पार्ट्स थे, जैसे बीच में से उसने ब्रेक कर ली। अंश ने क्या किया, ये 3 पार्ट्स दे दिए कट करके। एंड शौर्य ने क्या किया, वो बीच से पूरी ब्रेक कर ली और उसमें 2 में से 1 पार्ट दे दिया। फ्रैक्शन इज करेक्ट, फ्रैक्शन इज करेक्ट। क्या दोनों ने अलग अलग शेयरिंग की है?
No,
क्या
ma'am.
दोनों ने अलग अलग शेयरिंग की है?
No, ma'am.
क्या अंश ने ज्यादा शेयर किया है?
Sharing.
क्या अंश ने ज्यादा शेयर किया है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ?
No, ma'am.
अंश ने
No,
ज्यादा
ma'am.
शेयर किया है? या
Yes,
शौर्य ने
ma'am.
ज्यादा
They have
शेयर
done
किया?
equal sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You are saying about Shaurya.
So both of them shared equally. That means 3/6 is equals to 1/2. तो ये क्या होते हैं? They are known as equivalent fractions. लेकिन हाँ, अगर ये अंश ने 4 करी होती और उधर शौर्य ने 1/2 करी होती, तो क्या ये इक्वल है? Is 4/6?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, they are not
No,
equal.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, they are not equal. Okay,
No,
they
ma'am.
are not equal. That's why their share is not equal. जितना अंश का है वो शौर्य का शेयर नहीं है। Okay, so इधर 3 yeah, if 3/6 is equals to this. So these are equivalent fractions. What do we call them as? क्या बोलते हैं इनको? बोलो।
Equivalent fraction.
Equivalent fraction. Okay, देखो बेटा, अब देखो इससे मैंने निकालते कैसे। अच्छा, नाउ सी इसको निकालते कैसे? 1/2 है जैसे कि ये, ठीक है। अब हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि 1/2 किसके इक्वल होगा? हम इसका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। हम इसका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। लेट इस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3/3, 3/6। आ गया? आ गया सेम? 1/2 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन हमने सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई और ऊपर नीचे न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से सेम नंबर से कहते हैं। अच्छा, 1/2 का अगर मैं कहती कि 4 पार्ट्स कर लो इसके, तो आप क्या करते? इसको 2 × 2। अगर इसके 4 पार्ट्स करते तो ही वुड हैव शेयर। अगर इसमें हम 4 पार्ट्स करते तो कितना शेयर करना पड़ता अगर इसके 4 पार्ट्स होते इस चॉकलेट के? ओके, 4 पार्ट्स होते तो 2 इसको शेयर करने पड़ते। 2 पार्ट्स इसको शेयर, 4 नहीं हो गए, ये मोर देन 4 हो गया एक्चुअली। अगर इस सेम चॉकलेट के इसी सेम चॉकलेट के ऐसे और ऐसे 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होती है चॉकलेट। 4 में से अगर ये 2 शेयर करते तो दे विल बी सेम। सी 1/2 is equals to 2/4. Okay, and it is same as equals to 3/6. So these are equivalent fraction. कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन? न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करा जाता है। न्यूमरेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई, 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, like this. Okay, like
Ma'am, making same question.
Ma'am, like we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator
yes,
to denominator.
yes, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से, और नंबर सेम होना चाहिए। नंबर शुड बी सेम। अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 2 लगाया तो न्यूमरेटर में भी 2 होना चाहिए। ओके,
Ma'am,
फॉर एग्जांपल अब हाँ बेटा, somebody is asking something.
You gave us the question, find 2 equivalent fraction
Yes.
of 1
अब
3.
अक्षत बेटा मैं दे दूं क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद देख लेना मैं क्या दूंगी। ओके अक्षत? ओके, I know very well. I knew it very well. So tomorrow we are going to complete this exercise number 7.5. कल हम इसे complete कर लेंगे। Okay? Okay, see now in book. No, not in book. See, If I ask you, take out the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. If I ask you to take out the equivalent fractions of 2 upon 5, how will you calculate it? इसे first हम बेटा 2 upon 2 से multiply करेंगे. So answer will be 4 upon 10. 2 upon 5 को हम 3 upon 3 से multiply करेंगे. So 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. ठीक है, तो 2 upon 5 जो होगा वो इक्वल होगा आपका 4 upon 10 के.